Hello, everyone. Have a nice day. Welcome to my DiyTop1 channel. I have again today a very good knife sharpening trick. And save the money I want to share with you. Let's start the video. Take time to see each step. If you have trouble, whatever it is, let me know in the comments, and I'll help you. Prepared, the battery may be damaged. It can also be done. Today's knife sharpening tips. I cut the paper just enough to wrap. Choose this battery. What country are you from? Please leave me a comment. It's great that I can talk to people from all over the world. Let's share some tricks. Help. We can save money. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, you can click on the channel subscription button. It's great to see your support. Now, let's wrap this sandpaper. Fill up this battery. Prepare to add drilling machine. This is a tool. It's very important for today's video. It helps me sharpen the knife faster. Let's start sharpening the knife. Put some water on the knife and the sandpaper part. Start the drilling machine and start grinding. Real hand sharpening. From the knife to the knife. Don't use too much force. Change the knife. We will also sharpen. Give the toothpaste to make the skin more shiny. The next step is cleaning the knife. Test the knife on the paper. The knife is now become sharper and cut the paper more smoothly. Thank you for watching all the videos. If you find it helpful, please like and subscribe to the channel to support me. Let everyone know about this trick. I wish you success.